Welcome you all to the lecture video session on the module number 4, which discuss about modern small business enterprises, institutional support for the enterprise for the business enterprises, the role of the small scale industries, concepts and definitions of small scale industries, enterprises, and government policy and development of small scale industries in India. Basically, in the last module, we learnt about the entrepreneurship and the entrepreneur and how exactly an entrepreneur can establish the small scale industry, which are the different types of the industries that can exist, and if anybody wants to become an entrepreneur, then what are the types of the supports that he or she can get from the government and the different financial institutions. And this particular module revolves around establishment of the small scale industries, the roles and then the problems that the entrepreneurs may face, and the what are the types of different types of taxations that are in India, what are the different types of policies, subsidies, and then the how exactly this small scale industry policies have been revolutionized, and then how they have been developed over the years, and what are the roles and then what are the responsibilities, and then how it is backing up the Indian economy, and to back up these small scale entrepreneurs or the entrepreneurs, what are the different types of institutional laws, policies that have been made to encourage people more and more towards the self employment. All the policies and the schemes of central level institutions, state level institutions, and the other type of venture capital, and other type of angel broking, and all this kind of like the financial support, and how exactly it could be availed by the entrepreneurs have been discussed in this module. And if we take the small scale industries, what are the small scale industries? Basically, in India, small scale industries, they form the bread and butter of Indian economy, and they also give the life support of millions of people in the country. So our country is characterized by abundant manpower, and it is also characterized by poor finances in the earlier stages, and there was the problem of unemployment which is also persisting even now, and we are also characterized with the over dependence on the agriculture in before the industrial revolution happened, and transportation difficulties were there. And after that, if we think about history, there was a lack, there were the technological trends were not applied well into the industries. So the small scale industries have occupied the majority of this place, important place in the process of industrialization in the country. So when we think about this, that when we how do we define, or what is exactly the concept of small scale industries? This basically the small scale industries revolved around the local available resources, local raw materials, local skills, local finance, and local generally available local markets, and also all this help the cause of developing a small scale industry in any areas. These small scale industries were dispersed in nature, they were never localized, I mean they were never concentrated in any one particular place, and it also helped in the socio economic development of the country in a larger way. So as a sector in the Indian economy, the small scale industries in the recent years developed itself to the larger extent. About 5 million small scale industries have become written the testimony for this, and the development of the small scale industries shows the progress of the nation, and also the small scale industries actually amounts to the it almost accounts to the 35% of the industrial export markets also. So day by day, the small scale industry portion of the small scale industry and the participation of the small scale industry in the export oriented market and the local market is increasing, which is also contributing a lot to the technological markets as well. So it is the small scale industries suffered a setback initially because there were not many supporting systems by that were designed by the government. But when the supporting system became the handhold to all this kind of industry, this became very visible that the small scale industries were become very visible, and they have proved themselves in helping the nation economy to grow to a larger extent. So when we think about this, if you look at the history in 1950, the small scale industries were first defined, and they defined it was defined with respect to the number of people that who have worked in who were working as the workers. So 10 to 50 people, if 10 to 50 people were working in an industry, that industry was named as small scale industry. In 1954 to 1955, government of India set up the Central Small Industries Organization and the small scale industry development board, and they have defined the small scale industry in a different manner, and it was categorized with reference to the power that is used, that is the power that is used, and then the non power industries that which were not using the power at all. So the definitions like that evolved over the years. One of the definition which was earlier statement of the small scale industry is that an industry which employs 10 to 50 people, which runs with power, which employs less than 100 employees and runs without the use of power, and with the capital asset not exceeding 5 lakh rupees. So that means to say that basically the small scale industries got categorized on the basis of the usage of power and also the investment capacity. So the other definition what small scale industry got is that an industrial undertaking in which the investment in the fixed assets in the plant and machinery, whether held on ownership terms or on lease or by hire purchase, does not exceed rupees 100 lakh as on March 31st, 2001, is to be treated as a small scale industrial unit. So here in this particular definition, they have given the plant and machinery, and also they have given the status of the ownership. It could be on the hire purchase, or it could be on the lease or rent, or it could be on the ownership basis, and the investment capacity for an industrial undertaking, if it does not exceed 100 lakh rupees or rupees 100 lakh, then it can be termed as the small scale industry. So the various definitions have been given to the small scale industries as the year passed. And let's understand the role of the small scale industries. What is the role of the small scale industry in the Indian economy? The small scale industry constitutes a very important segment of the Indian economy, as we understood, right? And it is a very vibrant sector. It's a dynamic sector which is growing with a faster rate. And because since this is a very vibrant sector, it is addressing the local people, it is addressing the local skills, it is addressing the local resources, and it utilizes it to the maximum extent. And it has it has observed we have observed a phenomenal growth in the last 6 decades in the small scale industries, and it contributes to a larger extent to the socio-economic development or the socio-economic growth of the country. And the small scale industry sector, it makes about 80% of the total industrial units that are existing in the country, and it alone has got, the small scale industries alone have got the millions of units. It is alone have got around 36 million units, and it contributes to the 45% of the total industrial production, and it also contributes to the export sector more than 40%, and it has already employed 80 million people. So this is the potential of the small scale industry, and that's why we call it as the backbone of the total socio-economic growth in the country. There are several schemes which we have observed over the years, and Startup India scheme is one scheme. There are several which we are going to discuss in the later stage in this module, and it is estimated that the total SSI sector, that is a small scale industry sector, it comprises of around more than a lakh unit, like 1 crore 5 lakhs 21,190 units. and it is spread over the length and breadth of the country. It is spread over all the states, and right from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we can see all kind of small scale industries, and about 55% of the units are located in the rural India. So the moment we say that it is located in the rural India, it so typically, the small scale industries are those industries which are manufacturing providing or manufacturing industries, or it could be the services oriented industries. It could be providing the services, or it could be the manufacturing units, production based units, and these are either way it could be called as a small scale industries. In the next lecture videos, we will understand what are the types of the small scale industries and what are the different policies and the schemes that have been floated by the government in order to support the the entrepreneurship in the SSI sector. Thank you everyone. See you all in the next video. Thank you.